What's up, Wes? This is Lillian and Elle with your West Press News.
Here at West Middle, there are 2 world language classes to choose from, Spanish and German.
OMGs. Let's check out this German class spotlight about a recent scavenger hunt that students participated in.
So for the project, it's called the die Stadt, Around the City project. It's the final project for 6th grade German, and I basically just set up street signs and business signs all around the school in German, and then the 6th graders follow directions written in German. For example, turn left on this street, turn right on this street, until they get to their location. Then they have to write down where they ended up. So it's kind of exploring the whole school, using German skills to navigate our imaginary city. My favorite part of the project was just seeing all the students, how much they've learned, the fact that they can read these sentences aloud, help each other figure out what it means.
My favorite part of German is pretty much learning new words and new phrases. Yeah.
Probably like the games that we play, so like Brennball and basketball and just like the games that we play.
My favorite part of German is probably the tests that she gives us because we get to walk around the school and we get to spell German and it's all fun.
The games that we play.
It was fun because we got to walk around the school and figure out what streets to go down and which way to turn. So that was amazing.
Spiegel.
Okay.
Probably Moin Moin. It's just satisfying to say.
Niche.
All right.
Moin Moin.
Congratulations to our March Titan stars, Maya, Bailey, Tobias, Dominic, Lucifer, Delaney, William, Max, Charlie, Sophia, Addison, Davian, Wyatt, Reagan, Crosby, and Bridget.
Great job walking the path of a Titan in a positive peer role in our school community.
If you have ever been in the car line before in the school in the morning, you might know how chaotic it can be.
Rogan and Judah made a fun but informative video on how to navigate the car line. Check it out and make sure you share the details with your families.
How you should use the car line. For people using the main entrance, please pull up to the orange flag before dropping off your kid. Do not pull up way behind it or way after it, because that can lead to issues during drop-off. Please do not drop your kid off in the parking lot. When getting out, please get out on the sidewalk side.
Do not get out on this side. It is very bad.
Do not use the left lane to drop your kid off. Only use the left lane to pass by other drivers. When pulling things out of the trunk of your car, it may be easier to pull past the orange flag to give your kid more time.
Do not pull into the bus ramp like this guy. Instead, pull into this parking lot. And look out for this sign to know when to turn to the parking lot.
Would you rather questions are a fun way to get to know your friends better.
Check out these questions and see if you would answer the same way.
Okay, I'd rather see 150 years into the future because maybe I'll see dinosaurs.
A water balloon fight.
A Disney villain because I think it would be fun.
A night in a real haunted house.
Horror movies.
Spring break, 8th grade honors social studies students created their National History Day projects.
Here's a quick video about the assignment and details about those who moved on to regionals and states.
Okay, so our NHD project was Hans Pepe Teichner. He's like a local skiing legend.
We did him because he fought in multiple wars and he started high school skiing as a sport in Michigan, and yeah, he was like a local person but also like international. So
We did great at NHD. We made it to the districts, but it took a lot. Then we lost, but it's fine. They don't even know that. It took a lot of hard work and dedication because it took how many months? I forgot. 5 months.
Check out this video that Nate made to show you how to make an origami fox.
This is West Press signing off.
I asked a meal ago. Yeah, I think so.
I think we're good.
Yeah. Nate made to show you how to make an origami fox. This is.
What was our outro? I'm so sorry.
Okay.
It was like out on the table. So signing. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay. Ready?
So let's redo that single part,
yeah.
and then we're gonna be done.
Okay.
Oh, thank God.
To show you how to make an origami fox. This is West signing off.
She did it too. No. Okay. No.
You ready?
Okay,
Three. If you're looking for a fun art tutorial, check out this video that Nate made to show you how to make an origami fox.
This is West Press
signing off.
It's always.
Grab my arm.
Okay.
just redo the West Press sign off.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Ready?
This is West.
No, you did it too early.
Fine.
Ready? 3,
2,
2, 1.
This is West Press signing off.
I did the wrong outro.
I forgot. Okay, ready?
West Press signing off.
Yeah. Okay,
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
This is West Press signing off.